What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please like and subscribe. I'm sure you're gonna love this video. I'm just like so good. No, I'm kidding. I'm not good. This video is a little get ready with me segment situation. We're gonna be doing this little look that I'm wearing right now. Basically, what I was thinking now that I had I don't know why I had more time on my hands, even though even before the lockdown I stayed home all day. But anyways, I had more time on my hands apparently, and so I tried to really study what I was doing with my makeup and why it was taking so long. And yeah, so I try to simplify that and just do quick 5 or 6 steps, I don't even know. And yeah, so this is the look that I came up with. I think the biggest thing is that I used to feel naked if I didn't wear any eyeliner, and I discovered this little trick. I don't even remember if I just came up with it myself or if I saw somebody doing it, but anyways, you're gonna see it next, so don't worry about it. I'm gonna tell you. It's not a big deal, but to me it was just mind-blowing. So basically that's what helped me just achieve a more natural look and save me a little bit of time, because I do like to take my time when I do my makeup. Nobody has time for that, really. And you guys know me, I like to use clean and non-toxic products, so most of them are, but there's a few here and there that I'm just trying to finish up so that I can switch to a non-toxic alternative. But right now I just want to keep it, real and show you the things that I really use. So I'm gonna list everything down below, and yeah, let's go and get that little look going. I'm going to use this sunscreen, and I'm going to mix it with just a tiny drop of my crunchy foundation, just because this has very little coverage and I feel like right now my face is just breaking havoc. So I need to add just the tiniest bit. So let me just put it on here, and that's really how much. And I never use a lot of foundation anyways, so I like to do this, and you guys know I'm no expert. And you guys, I haven't even plucked my eyebrows, because today I'm reshooting a video because I didn't like the way it turned out, and it's about something to do with showing you how much my eyebrows have grown, and so I haven't even touched them. They look like a forest. Okay, and then I go a little bit. Next up, I'm gonna do my concealer, and I have been trying out these concealers by PYT Beauty, and I think I'm in love, you guys. It's actually really good, and it's creamy but not super creamy. It doesn't set on my fine lines as much, and I feel like usually I have to adjust it once or twice a day, but that's okay. By the end of the day, it still looks good, and as you can see, it's almost really similar to my skin tone. So I like to that's that. So my thing, I think that's covered. I forgot I always like to add a little bit of lip balm. My lips always had to have some kind of lip balm, otherwise I get chapped lips. So we'll move on to the next steps. I'm using this one from PYT Beauty as well. It has the color here. Can't really tell. And then it has the spoolie on the other tip, and I'm just gonna try to do my best, because again, let me do this. My eyebrows right now are just going crazy, but after today I'm going to pluck them. But let me show you how crazy they are, so you don't feel bad about yourself if you haven't done them either. You see all of those? But the impressive part you'll see in the video what I'm talking about. I wish I could say like, oh, I just filled them. Like, it does take me a long time. My eyebrows are like very time consuming because I have like bald spots everywhere. So I kind of like to go like this and then just go again with the spoolie to make them look a little bit more natural. Okay, kind of like that, and then like that. Yeah, see that? Okay, let me do the other one. That's it, and I like to go like this to measure like from the tip of my nose, tip of my eye, to see if it kind of touches there, and if it doesn't, I try to elongate that line. Okay, now I'm gonna do my lashes, and I'm going to curl them with my spoon. And I think I've shared in the past, this is how I like to do it. And I always like to do this even before I do like eyeliner, because usually I get like eyeliner all over my lashes, and then I get my fingers smudged, and then I touch my face and it's just a mess. Now I'm going to go over my lash line with this. Let me show you. I'm gonna keep this thing even though it's like dirty. With this color from, again, another PYT purchase, and this is the Night and Day palette, I think, no BS. And I'm gonna use this little pencil thing, this little brush thing. I just basically go like this, and then I'm gonna go in my lash line, but as close as I can to the lashes so that you don't see it as much, but your lash line is gonna look fuller. So let me show you, because this doesn't make any sense. I'm traumatized because I feel like I always need eyeliner, and so I'm trying to find ways to not use eyeliner. And do you guys see all my little veins? Oh my god, they're so annoying. So that is what I do. Okay, so that way I feel less naked, because honestly that's the way I feel when I don't have eyeliner. So now what I'm going to do, the next thing is I'm just gonna add like a little wing on each side using the same eyeshadow, but I'm gonna use this little brush thingy, and I'm just gonna wet a little bit the tip on my sink. So let me come back. Okay, so I have a little bit of water here, and so I'm just gonna go like that on the same eyeshadow, and I'm gonna try to do like a little line. Let me see, I guess you can see it from there if I'm looking in the mirror. Okay, I guess you can see it, and it's not super noticeable, and I don't want it to be super noticeable. Like this is just like a casual, just watching TV at home, pretending I don't have things to do. Okay, so see, it's like super subtle, and once I put my mascara, you won't really be able to tell like what's going on. Now let's do mascara. Again, I'm using a PYT purchase. I really like this brand. I wish they used more sustainable packaging. I know they're working towards that. And so I do my primer first. I like to like really go over them. Okay. Next, I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit. Now, I'll put mascara, and I'm doing only my top lashes. I'm not doing anything to my bottom lashes except curl them. I don't like to go over them again with more mascara once they're dry, because I think they get kind of chunky and I don't personally like that look. So I just go at it as much as I can before they dry, and then just leave them alone. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye. Okay, so that's enough with my lashes, and of course I got like a little smudge. Oh, there's my honey. Ooh, he cleaned me down. Okay, so now we are almost done. I'm going to show you just like a little something that I've been doing, and I have to say that I don't always fall into trends this fast, but this has actually been something that I've always wanted to have, but I don't have that many, and that is freckles. I know girls that have freckles, they hate them. I actually like them. I'm just gonna go with a brow pencil that I actually bought because I ran out of my PYT brow pencil and I had to order it online, and I was going on a trip and I needed something, so I got this one. Turns out it was like the wrong color. So this is by e.l.f. Cosmetics. I know I'm not thrilled, I'm not proud of this purchase, and my intention was to return it, but then the lockdown happened and I just threw it like in a drawer and I forgot about it. So I'm gonna go with this one and do a little bit of freckles here and there. And I know I look like way too much, but trust me. So that looks kind of cute. And you know what? I have one here. I'm just gonna go over it. Does it look better? Yeah, because I like it. My little freckle friend. Okay, yeah. So now to make them look more natural and less cartoony, I just go over it with this brush. You can tell, but you can't, and that's just the look we're going for. Okay, next up we're just gonna do a little bit of bronzer, blush. Okay, so I've been trying to run out of these e.l.f. Cosmetics bronzer highlighter duo thing. And sometimes I don't even do this, but right now, because I think I'm going to be filming today, I just need a little bit more help, you know. Now I'm gonna use this blush. And I'm just gonna go real subtle. Okay, sorry, Hobbs got here and I had to just tell him to be a little bit quiet. Okay, so I just like to go a little bit with my blush, and my little extra touch that I like to do is, especially when I'm going to shoot, again, this is not always, but I like to go over with this little, you can't really see, but I use it as a highlighter. I know, I'm a genius. So you can probably not tell here, but I'd like to do that. And now lips. To finish off, I have already some lip balm on, and I've been mixing a lot of my Madame Gabriela lipsticks, and I really like to use this one. Like the nude is the one that I find that I can use every day, but just to switch it a little bit every now and then, I like to mix it with the other colors. So right now I'm gonna mix it with this pink one, which is New York at 1 p.m. and this is Sydney at 8 a.m. And then I just smudge a little bit here on my hand. And that's it, I think. Okay, now that's it. Okay, you guys, that's it. Let me show you. I just love this look. I don't do the freckles every day, but when I want to do a little extra, that's just what I like to do. And I'm loving the combination of the two lipsticks. Remember, I have a discount code that you can use. It's Louisa Kiss, so you can get a 10% discount on your purchase. I love that I found that little trick for my eyes, so that way I don't feel naked anymore. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the wing, or I don't know if it's like everything together, but it just makes me feel, you know, like my face is done. I think that's it for now. I'm gonna see you guys next week. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell and comment if you liked it, if you think this look sucks. I'll see you next week. Bye.